Hello gamers out there! So here today I'm going to unbox my new PS4. So I know you have your PS4 with you, but this is the latest one, I guess. So I have two games too that I bought, so just leave that for a while. So we'll open this one. This is very tough though. How they box it is very safe. Okay, so there we go. So in the box you have one wireless controller, and you can buy one for, let us say, $50 or more. Okay, so we have this one, and then we have this USB cable to connect to your TV to have a nice reception. And this one is for your USB cable, and this is for your AC connector, and the AC voltage is from 100 to 240. So if your power is 220, then you can use this one. If it is 110, then you can still use this one. This is for your earphone, I guess. Yep, this is for your earphone. If you use your USB, okay, for your this is the console now. Oh, there's a this is quick start guide for PS4, and the console. What's inside? There's some stickers for you to have if you would like to. Maybe freebie or something, or instructions, I guess. Yep. Stream hundreds of games and everything like that. So here we go. And for the console, we'll start removing this one in a slow phase, so that it will not be damaged. Yeah, so it will seal nicely so that the moment you use it, it will be nice and neat. There you go. My new PS4 is all the connection for your cables, the power. This is the USB and other this is for the DVD, the games we want to play. Play this game in a while. So this is my new play game. I hope you like watching my videos, and if you like watching my video, please subscribe and like, and wait for more videos that I'm planning to make. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. See ya.